Daily routine. Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
Polish your shoes.
Polish your shoes.
Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
Finish your milk.
Finish your milk.
Time to sleep.
Time to sleep.
Switch off the light.
Switch off the light.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Wake up early.
Wake up early.
Let's get ready.
Let's get ready.
At home. Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the window.
Close the window.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Don't jump on the bed.
Don't jump on the bed.
Come here.
Come here.
Go there.
Go there.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Speak slowly.
Speak slowly.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Let's clean the room.
Let's clean the room.
Fold your clothes.
Fold your clothes.
Put your shoes in the rack.
Put your shoes in the rack.
Don't spill water.
Don't spill water.
Keep your things safe.
Keep your things safe.
It's time to study.
It's time to study.
Stop watching TV.
Stop watching TV.
Let's do homework.
Let's do homework.
Study time. Open your book.
Open your book.
Read aloud.
Read aloud.
Write neatly.
Write neatly.
Don't tear the pages.
Don't tear the pages.
Learn the spellings.
Learn the spellings.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Count from 1 to 10.
Count from 1 to 10.
What comes after 5?
What comes after 5?
Don't forget your bag.
Don't forget your bag.
Let's revise today's lesson.
Let's revise today's lesson.
Family and friends. My brother is playing.
My brother is playing.
My sister is studying.
My sister is studying.
Grandpa is reading a book.
Grandpa is reading a book.
Grandma is cooking.
Grandma is cooking.
Let's help Mom.
Let's help Mom.
I'm going to my friend's house.
I'm going to my friend's house.
Please don't touch that.
Please don't touch that.
Can I play with you?
Can I play with you?
Let's share our snacks.
Let's share our snacks.